What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to contact CBS customer support, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So guys, what you need to know is there are a couple of ways on how to contact CBS customer support. Well, if you want to do it online, you can either type in CBS Help Center and they have an entire web page dedicated to it. Of course, there is an email address. If you have any questions or whichever, you can write to ask at cbs.ca. So those are the questions about the topics in the news or whatever, but you can of course write them over there. If you want to send a complaint about CBS News or whichever, so overall you can easily just go to that specific help center which I told you about. There are phone numbers, but depending on where you live, the phone numbers vary. So overall, where is another customer support? When you're on your browser, as you can see, I'm on my phone. When you scroll down to the bottom of the page, there is this site index button, which is the last part of the text. When you press on it, there is an expanded site navigation. So you're having many things, but as you can see, there is under information, help and contact us. When you press on it, the CBS Help Center will be opened. You can just search for the articles or whatever. So quite an easy way to use. And of course, there is a chatbot online, which you can access by typing in a CBS customer support. So guys, overall that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.